Hi everyone, it's another great day and another blessings once again. My name is Michael of Mike Utitos Aquarium here in Ontario, Canada. Today, let me show you about our new business. Aside from fish and wild bettas, now I create a new one. Please check this out, and I would like you to support me for another business. Actually, this is a hobby, and for those who support me for supporting local breeders like me, I would like to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, guys. And I would like to thank you all for all the viewers and subscribers for supporting me as well. Today I made a new merchandise. Here is a coffee mug, sublimation with betta fish, wild betta, copper alien, and this is the including my logos right here. So I would like to show you guys. This is a nice merchandise actually. I also offered personalized. Here I go. The color is very nice as well. Betta breeder here in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Alright, so this is it. Please support me, and for those who are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. This was the fish that I used to have a picture of it, and then this is my logo with also a copper, a wild betta hybrid blue alien. Okay, you can check my previous video regarding this this betta. I also have previous fish like this. Okay, so this is the pictures. Thank you very much indeed. Please like and subscribe, don't forget. Okay, thank you, and please support me by purchasing one of my merchandise. Thank you so much indeed. Have a great one.